Hi guys, so if you are interested in learning how to make reels and you're intimidated because you've never done it before, here is a really easy way. Instagram has now made it really easy to make reels. Go to my last kayaking reel and click on it and you'll see a message that says use template, and you want to click on use template. It's then going to prompt you to choose different videos from your own camera reel. So here I am choosing 5 videos, and it's as easy as that. It will use the same music as I used, so you don't have to worry about uploading any music. And then you can click on each individual clip and choose the length and trim it where you want it to be. So that's all that there is to it. This is a really easy way to jump in with reel making and get your feet wet. You don't need a lot of editing knowledge, so just go ahead and try it. This is the easiest way to get found on Instagram and to gain more followers organically. So happy reel making.